Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In the electrical circuits, to solve the problems, we often use Laplace transforms or inverse Laplace transforms. To apply the Laplace transforms and get the solution of the circuits, it is important to know the knowledge of partial fractions. In the last video, we have seen the some of the methods to calculate the partial fractions. Today we see the partial fractions with a case called the multiple roots. Suppose the circuit has a function f of s is equal to s plus 2 divided by s plus 1 whole square into s plus 3. So if we look at this, the f of s denominator has two simple roots and one double root. So now we can write this f of s in terms of partial fractions like this: k1 by s plus k2 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus k3 divided by s plus 1 plus k4 divided by s plus 3. To get this k1 value, multiply this f of s with s. Then substitute s is equal to 0. Then whatever we get, that is called the k1. So look at this, k1 is equal to f of s into s with s is equal to 0. So when we write f of s into s, then we get the equation like this: s plus 4 into s divided by s into s plus 1 whole square into s plus 3. So in this equation, this s and this s going to get cancelled. Then substitute s is equal to 0. Then we get 0 plus 2, that is 2 here. Then here 0 plus 1 whole square, so we'll get 1. Next 0 plus 3, we'll get 3. So then we get 2 by 3 is the value of k1. Similarly, you have another simple root, that is k4. So then we get k4 is equal to f of s into s plus 3. Substitute s is equal to minus 3. This s is equal to minus 3 comes when you put s plus 3 is equal to 0. From that you will get s is equal to minus 3. Then you write it, f of s into s plus 3. Then this s plus 3 and this s plus 3 are going to get cancelled. Then substitute s is equal to minus 3. In that case, we'll get minus 3 plus 2 like this. Next, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 whole square. Then you simplify it. Once we simplify it, we get 1 by 12 here. This 1 by 12 is k4 value. And now we calculate k2. To get k2, what we do is we multiply f of s with s plus 1 whole square. Then substitute s is equal to minus 1. So let us see f of s into s plus 1 whole square. F of s is nothing but s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 1 whole square into s plus 3. When we multiply with s plus 1 whole square, this and this going to get cancelled, and then substitute s is equal to minus 1. Then we get minus 1 plus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Then you simplify it. Then we get minus 1 by 2 as the value of k2. Similarly, you have the k3 here. To get the k3, what we should do is multiply f of s with s plus 1 whole square. Then differentiate it once. Substitute s is equal to minus 1. Once we do that, so we'll get the format d by dt of s plus 2 divided by s into s plus 3. Differentiate it. and then this differentiation is in the form of u by v format. So first we differentiate it and then we put s is equal to minus 1. So once we do this, this is nothing but v, this is nothing but u. So this v in the denominator is going to be squared, that is v square. So v du by dx means this as it is s into s plus 3 into differentiation of u. Then you will get 1 here minus u dv by dx. What is u? U is nothing but s plus 2. That we put as it is. Then we differentiate this v with respect to s. Then we get 2s plus 3. Then substitute s is equal to minus 1. Then we get minus 2 minus 1 divided by 4. So finally we get minus 3 by 4 as the value of k3. So we know the k1, k2, k3 and k4 and we know the general format like this. Substitute all the k1, k2, k3, k4. Then we get f of s in the desired partial fraction format. That is f of s is equal to 2 by 3 by s plus minus 1 by 2 divided by s plus 1 whole square plus minus 3 by 4 divided by s plus 1 plus 1 by 12 divided by s plus 3. Let us take another problem. F of s is equal to 1 by 2s square into s square plus 4. Here denominator has one double root at s is equal to 0. Two conjugate roots at s is equal to plus or minus j2. This plus or minus j2 comes like this. S square is equal to minus 4. So s is equal to plus or minus root of minus 4. So then we get plus or minus j2. That is how we write here s is equal to plus or minus j2. Then once you know this, then we can write f of s in a new format like this. 1 by 2s square into s plus j2 into s minus j2. Then we write f of s is equal to k1 by s square plus k2 divided by s plus k3 divided by s plus j2 plus k4 divided by s minus j2. So to get k1, multiply f of s with s square. Simplify it. Then substitute s is equal to 0. Then whatever value that we get, that is called k1. So look at this. F of s is this. Multiply that with s square. So that is what we have written here. S square divided by 2s square into s plus j2 into s minus j2. This s square going to get cancelled and you will end up with 1 by 2 into s plus j2 into s minus j2. Put s is equal to 0. Then we get, after simplification, we get 1 by 8. Then to get k2, what we should do is, you multiply f of s with s square and then differentiate it once, then substitute s is equal to 0. So once we multiply with s square, then we get d by ds of 1 by 2 into s square plus 4. So this is nothing but in the form of differentiation of u by v format. So in that case, v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. So v means this. So you square it. So then we'll get like this. That is s square plus 4 whole square. Then v du by dx means as it is we put here s square plus 4. And differentiation of u, here it is constant, so you will get 0 minus u dv by dx. U means 1 into, you differentiate this v, so then you will get 2s. Then substitute s is equal to 0, then we get 0. So k2 value is 0. Then to get k3, you multiply f of s with s plus j2. Then substitute s is equal to minus j2. So that is multiply f of s with s plus j2 means like this we will get s plus j2 divided by 2s square into j plus 2 into j minus j2. Then substitute j is equal to minus j2, s is equal to minus j2. So this j s plus j2, this s plus j2 going to get cancelled. So then you have only 1 by 2s square into s minus j2. Then substitute this s is equal to minus j2, that is 2 into minus j2 whole square into minus j2 minus j2. Then simplify it. Then we get 1 by minus 2 into 4 into minus j4. With further simplification, we get minus j by 32. Then to get k4, you multiply f of s with s minus j2. Then substitute s is equal to j2. So once we multiply f of s with s minus j2, then we get like this: s minus j2 divided by 2s square into s minus j2 into s plus j2. This s minus j2, this s minus j2 going to get cancelled, and then substitute s is equal to j2. That is, you have the 1 by 2s square into s plus j2. So 2 into s square means j2 whole square, then j2 plus j2, then simplify it, then we get j by 32 as k4 value. So we calculated k1, k2, k3 and k4, and we know the general format of f of s like this: k1, k2, k3, k4 format. So then substitute all the values in this equation. Then we get f of s is equal to 1 by 8 s square minus 1 by 32 into 4 divided by s square plus 4. This comes after substitution and simplification of the values that are written here. Look at this: f of s is equal to 1 by 8 divided by s square plus 0 because k2 is 0, plus minus j divided by 32 divided by s plus j2 plus j by 32 divided by s minus j2. After simplification, we get 1 by 8 divided by 8 s square plus j by 32 into 1 by s minus j2 minus 1 by s plus j2. So further we take out j by 32 and we do this simplification, that is 1 by 8 s square plus j by 32. So when you bring this here, it will become s plus j2. When you transfer this here, you will get minus s plus j2. Then in the denominator, we have the s minus j2 into s plus j2. So again, we can write like this: 1 by 8 divided by s square plus, once you simplify it, this plus s minus s going to get cancelled. We get j4. So divided by s square plus 4 into 32. So with further simplification, we get this: 1 by 8s square minus 1 by 32 into 4 divided by s square plus 4. Then, if a root is repeated thrice, then the residues are calculated as follows. So first I will take up the general equation, then we proceed to the actual problem. So look at this: f of s is equal to n into r of s divided by s minus s1 whole cube is equal to k1 by s minus s1 whole cube plus k2 divided by s minus s1 whole square plus k3 divided by s minus s1. To get k1, multiply f of s with the s minus s1 whole cube and put s is equal to 1. Then whatever you get, that is k1. Similarly, k2 we can get by multiplying f of s with s minus s1 whole cube and differentiating once, and then substitute s is equal to 1, s1. Then whatever you get, that is k2. Similarly, to get k3, multiply f of s with s minus s1 whole cube, differentiate it twice, then put s is equal to 1, then divide with the factorial 2. Then whatever you get, that is called k3. So let us see a numerical problem. So we have the f of s is equal to here 3s plus 1 divided by 5s cube into s minus 2 whole cube, whole square. So if you observe properly, it has 3 roots at s is equal to 0, 2 roots at s is equal to 2. So we write f of s in the journal format like this. F of s is equal to k1 by s cube plus k2 by s square plus k3 by s plus k4 by s minus 2 whole square plus k5 divided by s minus 2. To get k1, you multiply f of s with s cube. Once you multiply with s cube, this s cube going to be cancelled. Then you will end up with 3s plus 1 divided by 5 into s minus 2 whole square. So substitute s is equal to 0. In that case, we will get 1 by 20 here. Similarly, to get the k2, you multiply f of s with s cube. Then whatever you get, you differentiate it once. Then substitute s is equal to 0. So that differentiation will be in the form of u by v format, that is v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. The same thing we are applying here. So 1 by 5 into, here v means s minus 2 whole square. So s minus 2 whole square means, so we'll get s minus 2 whole power 4. So here s minus 2 whole square means it is v. So du by dx means that is nothing but 3s plus 1. So once you differentiate it with respect to s, then you will get only 3 here. Minus u means 3s plus 1, and differentiate that s1, s minus 2 whole square. Then you will get 2 into s minus 2. Then substitute s is equal to 0. So once you substitute s is equal to 0, then we get 1 by 5 into 3s plus 8 divided by s minus 2 whole cube. Substitute s is equal to 0. Then we get 8, you will get 1 by 5 into 8 divided by 8, because here s is equal to 0 means minus 2 whole cube, means 2 cube means 8. So both will cancel, you will get 1 by 5 as the answer. Then K3, to get K3, what we should do is, you multiply f of s with s cube, then differentiate it twice, then substitute s is equal to 0, then divide that with factorial 2, then whatever you get, that is nothing but K3 value. So look at this. So 1 by minus 1 by 10 into, here also we will get what is called the u by v format for differentiation. So we will get s minus 2 whole cube is the v. So we write as it is. Then here we get what is called 3 plus 8 is nothing but u. You differentiate it, then you will get 3 here, minus u means 3s plus 8 into dv by dx means s minus 2 whole cube. Then you will get 3 into s minus 2 whole square. So then simplify it, then put s is equal to 0. So we are differentiating again. Then once you differentiate it and substitute s is equal to 0, then we get 1 minus 1 by 10 into minus 30 divided by 16, that is 3 by 16. Next, to get the K4, Multiply f of s with s minus 2 whole square. Then simplify it. Then substitute s is equal to 2. So then you will get 3s plus 1 divided by 5s cube. Once you substitute s is equal to 2 means 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7. So then 5 into s cube means 2 cube. So 8. So 8 into 5 means 40. So we'll get 7 by 40 as the k4 value. So similarly k5. So we get like this. Multiply f of s with s minus 2 whole square. Differentiate it once. Substitute s is equal to 2. Then whatever you get, that is nothing but k5. So 1 by 5, that is available from the equation itself, f of s itself. So then you have the equation. So in that s minus 2 whole square going to get cancelled. That is here. So what you end up is 3s plus 1 divided by s cube. So now it is u by v differentiation format. That is v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. So what is v here? It is nothing but s cube. So whole square v square means s cube whole square means s power 6. So v du by dx means v is s cube. Du by dx means 3s plus 1. So when you differentiate with respect to s, then we get 3 here. Similarly here u dv by dx. So u means 3s plus 1. dv means s cube. You write on differentiation of s cube we get 3s square. Then substitute s is equal to 2 in this. Then we get minus 3 by 16. You know the k1, k2, k3, k4. Substitute all the values here. Then we get f of s is equal to 1 by 20 divided by s cube plus 1 by 5 divided by s square plus 3 by 16 by s plus 7 by 40 divided by s minus 2 whole square minus 8 by 16 divided by s minus 2. Click the this video and subscribe to the my channel. Thank you.